The Window Mask plugin, or Wind Mask up here in the FP tab in our global folder, is a quick way to create a rectangular mask. So what I'm going to do is go into built-ins. I'm going to use a circle for this one, and I'm just going to scale this circle up to begin with, and then I'll actually just throw some type of image on here just so we can see it. Now I have this image, so I want to kind of mask out this circular image here, so I'm going to go back into my FP tab, drag my wind mask down onto my circle. Now when I do that, it disappears and we don't see anything. So to see the wind mask, what we have to do is turn on the bounding box, and when we do that, we notice the bounding box here with the circle, and we also notice this yellow box up here. This yellow box is the wind mask, so if I click on my wind mask icon, it takes me into the editor. And within the editor of the window mask, we have the position X, position Y, the width, and the height. So if I move this position X and my position Y over the circle, you can see it starts to reveal our circle with the image. And I can increase the width, I can increase the height, and now I can readjust my position X and my position Y to wherever I want it. If we turn the bounding box off, you can really see what it's doing. It's just creating a rectangular mask around the circle. Now there's no way to soften it or create soft edges on it. It's just a rectangle. That's the only shape you can get out of the wind mask. But it's a quick way to create a rectangular mask within an object.